Seasons are defined by the temperature, weather, and the amount of sunlight. So, how are they formed? Well, they're formed by the Earth's axis and how it is tilted in comparison to the sun. So let's say this is the Earth and my hand's the sun. If the Earth is tilted towards the sun, then that means it's summer. But if the Earth is tilted away from the sun, then that means it's winter. And for fall and spring, let's take a closer look. So you can see what I was talking about earlier. Summer is facing towards the sun, and as this goes counterclockwise, it loses daylight and heat. But then once winter passes, it begins to gain sunlight and warm up. And spring and fall, they're towards the middle of the whole changing of temperatures and daylight. So first we have autumn, and that usually starts around September and ends late November for the northern hemisphere. And autumn, which is also known as fall, there's nothing really prominent about this season besides that you notice it when the leaves begin to change colors, and this is known as autumn colors or fall colors. And it's also the beginning of the shortening of days. Hey guys, and welcome to winter in Hawaii! Okay, so maybe there is no snow around me, but that doesn't mean it's not winter. Hawaii is just so nice, sunny, and warm. Winter in the northern hemisphere goes to early December to late January or even February. So why is it so important? Let's take a look. During winter, the sun goes down at a very low altitude. Because of this, the heat that is coming down to the earth is spread out all over the place. This also causes the shortened days that winter is known for and the very low temperatures. And over here in spring! Spring typically begins as early as February and usually ends about June. However, in places that are colder, such as Antarctica, spring doesn't start until May, June, or even December. Spring days lengthen from equinox to solstice because of the Earth's axis and the sun. Severe weather is more prominent during spring because of the humidity that builds up throughout the day. This severe weather helps lead to the blossoming of flowers that spring is well known for. So, now that it's finally summer, I'd like to inform you on some stuff. And no, summer is not just a season to go out the pool and lay out. There's actually a lot more to it, environmentally that is. Summer begins around early June and ends about September. It is known for having the warmest and the longest days of the year. However, summer begins the shortening of the days from solstice to equinox, which then begins fall. This season is also known for monsoons, which occur in certain regions of the world. Monsoons have the tendency to produce massive amounts of rain, which can cause devastations and large amounts of floods, which leads to environmental disaster.